I can feel it. Oh, we are recording, my bad. So this is a quick announcement, guys. No background music, no video editing needed here. I just want to get this message out. So as we all know, tomorrow, August 23rd, NASH Exchange will be live, the MVP anyways. This will be open to the public. So I will be doing a NASH live stream tomorrow. No time is specified because NASH never really told us the exact time when the exchange will be live. So you guys could depend on me. And during this live stream, you guys could ask me anything. We'll be covering content such as on the staking, the cross-chain trading, fiat on-ramp. So whatever you guys want to know, just ask me. We also will be exploring the exchange live, probably testing out the transactions per second. Let's see how fast this DEX really is and all that good stuff, guys. So do join me. Join the celebration tomorrow live on the Crypto Lifestyles channel. You don't want to miss this one because I might be giving away some NASH tokens. So until then, you're on your own. Later.